Imagine this, you're in the middle of a financial crunch. Maybe you've had unexpected expenses, or maybe you're just short on cash until your next paycheck. You need access to money fast, but you don't have the savings to cover it. What do you do? In this video, we're going to talk about how to get an overdraft with Commonwealth Bank. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the eligibility criteria to the different types of overdrafts available. An overdraft is a short-term loan that allows you to withdraw more money from your bank account than you have in it. This can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but it's important to use overdrafts responsibly. In this video, we'll discuss the following topics. What is an overdraft? How do you get an overdraft with Commonwealth Bank? What are the different types of overdrafts available? What are the risks of using an overdraft? How to avoid overdraft fees? What is an overdraft? An overdraft is a short-term loan that allows you to withdraw more money from your bank account than you have in it. This can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but it's important to use overdrafts responsibly. Overdrafts are typically used to cover small, unexpected expenses, such as a late bill or a car repair. They can also be used to bridge the gap between paychecks. How do you get an overdraft with Commonwealth Bank? To get an overdraft with Commonwealth Bank, you'll need to meet the following eligibility criteria. You must be 18 years old or older. You must have an active Commonwealth Bank account. You must have a good credit history. If you meet these eligibility criteria, you can apply for an overdraft online, in person, or over the phone. What are the different types of overdrafts available? There are two main types of overdrafts available. Authorized overdrafts. Authorized overdrafts are pre-approved by your bank. This means that you can withdraw up to a certain amount of money without being charged an overdraft fee. Unauthorized overdrafts. Unauthorized overdrafts occur when you withdraw more money from your account than you have available. This will result in an overdraft fee. What are the risks of using an overdraft? There are few risks associated with using an overdraft. Overdraft fees. Overdraft fees can be expensive, so it's important to be aware of the fees that your bank charges. Interest charges. If you don't pay off your overdraft balance in full by the due date, you may be charged interest. Damage to your credit score. If you frequently use your overdraft, it could damage your credit score. How to avoid overdraft fees? There are a few things you can do to avoid overdraft fees. Monitor your account balance. Keep track of your account balance so that you don't accidentally overdraw. Set up overdraft alerts. You can set up overdraft alerts to be notified when your account balance falls below a certain threshold. Link your savings account to your checking account. This can help to avoid overdrafts by automatically transferring money from your savings account to your checking account if your balance falls below a certain amount. An overdraft can be a helpful tool if used responsibly. It can provide you with access to cash when you need it most. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using an overdraft. If you're considering getting an overdraft, be sure to do your research and compare the different options available to you. If you're interested in learning more about how to get an overdraft with Commonwealth Bank, please visit our website or call us today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.